Let's go up and say hi. Getting on the floor stuff is a bit much for my old back. There we go, eh? Look at this babies. Beautiful babies. These are all young birds. They're only a couple weeks out of the nest, about 2 weeks at the most. This beautiful girl up there is my bandit lime bird I've been hoping to get for years. I had a brother of hers once upon a time, and he flew like the wind, and he flew so much he didn't come back. And these beautiful, that one and the blue bar there, they both have white flights. Very pretty birds. This one is the brother, I believe, of the hen who likes herself. She's looking in the mirror at herself. All the girls were down at the mirror just a little while ago. That's the banded hen. And the single white wingtip hen. And this little hen. And that little hen. They were all in front of the window while the boys literally sat up here on their perches and just watched. And then the boys decided to come down out of curiosity, see what was going on and what was so interesting in that mirror. But they didn't understand it, so they took off back up here, and she decided to go up and join them. Oh, oh my goodness, girl. Alrighty, let's turn this thing off. Hey? How do I stop this thing again?